how you can redeem your Dragon City codes. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, if you're in the Dragon City game, close it for now. We need to use the official website to redeem the codes now open. Your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Redeem Dragon City Codes. You should see the official website at the top. Click on the first link. When the website opens, click on the Login and Redeem button. A pop-up will show. Up. Choose Dragon City as your game. Now you'll go back to the Dragon City app. Wait a few seconds for the game to open. When it asks you to open Google Chrome, tap on it. You're now logged in. Look at the top left and tap on the 3 lines menu icon. From the menu, tap Redeem. Type your Dragon City code into the box. Then tap the Redeem button. And that's it. That's how you can redeem your Dragon City codes.